there, Lisa here, and today we're going to be looking at a really cool tool in Google Slides. It's called Custom Gradients. It allows you to give depth and dimension to your backgrounds or your word art. So let's get to it.
A few videos back, we talked about how you could use coloring, and you can have solid colors or gradient colors, and how you can customize the gradient colors. I'm going to dive deeper today into customizing the gradient colors. For today's purposes, I'm going to be using the background. However, this will work with shapes and word art as well. So I'm going to click on my background, and you'll see that I have back here, it's white. So I have solid, and here are all of my solid shapes. And next to it, I have gradient. So I can choose gradient, and I can make it, and I'll just make it green, and done. And you'll notice it's darker around the edges and lighter in the center. So now I talked about doing custom gradients. So I'm going to click here again, and you'll notice between the simple light and those below, there's this custom. I'm going to select custom, and this is where I can start to customize it and have as many colors as I choose. So for these purposes, I'm going to start with this lighter color. I'm going to add a gradient stop so it puts it in the middle, which is nice. And then I'm going to make it, let's say, purple, because why not? And then maybe I can add another one in, and so it will keep adding them where I want them. I can also move them, which I really like. And maybe I'll make this one a darker purple. Ooh, too dark. And maybe I'll add one more, kind of move them wherever I want them. So I can move them like this, and you can get a preview right here of what that would look like. And this final one, I might make, I'll make it blue, because why not? And you'll notice that there are some other customizations that you can have. You can have radial, or you can have linear. Again, here's your preview. I can go to the angle, so I might want it at a 45-degree angle, so you can see how it changes the direction of it. If I go to radial, I can do center, and I can have all of these different ones as well. So again, just kind of radiating out instead of those linear lines. When you're done, you appreciate what you have. I'm going to select OK. I'm going to select Done, and there I have it. Another interesting feature is going back over here to background. I'm going to select that white background again. Going over to gradient, you'll notice that it kept my customization. So I can continue to do that. I can also make another one. Now, if I'm sharing this with a classroom, I can have several customizations here, which is fun for students to do. I hope this was useful, and happy creating.
And there you have it, custom gradients made easy in Google Slides. So whether you're doing a presentation professionally or just for fun, these gradients will help to make your presentation pop and shine. So if you like this video and this tip, go ahead, click like, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you can get more quick and easy tips from me, Noah Techie.